What are the best shade-loving vegetables and fruits to plant in Memphis? Okay, and this is from Vanessa right here in Memphis via YouTube. So it's the best shade-loving vegetables and fruits.
I don't know of a shade-loving vegetable to plant anywhere. Everything, photosynthesis.
Sunlight, right?
The sun is the ultimate source of energy.
Yes, it is.
And you've got to have access to the sun, and the more you have, the better you will be. I mean, you can produce fruits and berries and vegetables with limited, partial sunlight. They won't be as good and they won't be as plentiful.
Right, you won't produce as much.
But you can do that. But as far as shade-loving, there's some shade-loving perennials.
Yeah,
and
right.
Maybe some shade-loving annuals, but I don't know of any vegetables.
Yeah, because they all want full sun.
Yeah.
I mean, now if you look at some of your leafy vegetables, they can deal with just a little shade, but that don't produce as much.
That's right. That leaf.
That's leaf.
Photosynthesis.
Right, photosynthesis. Right. Yeah. Little shade, but nah. I mean, they still want full sun.
Sorry, Vanessa.
Yeah, and of course you know about your fruits. I mean, your blueberries, raspberry, all that kind of things. Full sun.
Yeah. And if you plant them in the shade, they're going to try to get to the sun.
Right.
They will lean and they'll do everything to try to get to the sun.
Good point. Yeah. So Miss Vanessa, it's going to be tough, right?
Yeah. I'm sorry.
Because full sun is what they need. Photosynthesis, right? Yeah. Thanks for watching. If you liked it, subscribe. We have hundreds of family plot videos for you to view.